All right, so yesterday's first coat was a gorgeous success on all of this. It has a good consistent shine. Now I'm putting on the second coat for redundancy. We made the touch-ups downstairs that are possible. The upstairs is frankly in much better shape. The upstairs I would give like 85% good. Say the upstairs is like an 85, maybe even an 89. Not an A minus, but a B plus. All right, and then downstairs, well, the downstairs is like a 79 or a C. A C minus, I would grade that floor, the condition of that floor. But it's all contingent on the customer's wants and expectations, and some folks are okay with a little bit of a rusticness to the floor. That's a nice word for rustic, yeah. All right, let's get this coat of finish painted. All right, let's showcase my fabulous finish application techniques. So I like to put a line of finish like that. And then it helps if you understand the dynamics of troweling, because it's kind of like a troweling technique. You need to keep the finish moving in one direction. Boom. Keep the finish moving in one direction. This is where I left off. Let's work that all in. Try to lean over enough so that the camera is catching what I'm doing. Don't really know if the camera is, but I got to get this done. So there we go. Keeping an angle, moving the finish from a wet edge towards the dry edge. Here, this will show it nice, just like that. You see the finish running off the side like a snowplow. Boom, like that. Wipe it back. Finish this. Then you have to start section mopping. Like this. That's section mopping. Let's get one more, maybe two more snowplows. Two more snowplows. There's one. Boom. There's one more snowplow. Here's two more. That's where I poured the finish before. It's still a little sticky there. I had finish on the floor. Okay, here we go. Now, section mopping. Boom. And you lift the mop on your stop strokes. You lift the mop at the end and lift. So you don't have stop marks. Work the finish in. It's hard to see, but I'm lifting it at the end. It's very subtle, just doesn't have to touch the floor at the end. As long as you get it off the floor at the end, that's fine. And we don't want to paint ourselves into a corner, so I stop right here and turn around. And it's always a good idea, when you can, to go and look at the room from another vantage. Make sure you didn't leave any big globs or drips or streaks or mist spots. So I come over here and I look. And you check into the shine a few different ways, going back and forth. Make sure there's no bubbles. I got bubbles right here in the doorway. You definitely don't want imperfections in doorways. In corners, you know, if they're there by accident, this isn't factory application, things happen. There's a dry spot, boom, okay. That's good. Another dry spot. Okay. It's usually nice to have a helper next to you because they are very happy to be, oh, you missed the spot over here, over here, over here. Yeah, missed the spot. Okay. Let's get this living room done and the radio playing again. I'm going to do the living room, dining room, kitchen. This is some pre-finished flooring that would have been much better served getting refinished, but customer likes the rustic nature. Here's another pre-finished floor. You have a pristine nature. So we have a few different, it's not too horrible, but we have a few different types of flooring running around down here, but not too bad.